Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. Welcome to Forward Public School e-learning class 7. I am Sabina Tariq and I am your English teacher. Today we will do Unit 5 Friendship Between Two Farmers Part 3 Written Work. Dear students, now take out your English notebook. Do write your date and serial number at the top of your page and draw a proper margin line. After this, give heading of Unit 3 Friendship Between Two Farmers. Students, don't make yourself confused. This is your Unit 3 according to your midterm syllabus and this is your Unit 5 according to your book sequence. After this, give heading of contents. Remember students, always give your heading with blue marker and do the rest of your work with blue ink pen. And draw a proper finishing line at the end of each and every topic. Well, dear students, these are the guidelines for your copy work. Hope so you will get it and you must have to follow it. Is this clear? Give heading of contents. Number 1, words, meanings 5. Number 2, word sentences 5. Number 3, question answer 6. Number 4, translation 5. Number 5, summary. Number 6, vocabulary exercise B, page 58, bracket on copy. Exercise J, page 63, bracket on copy. C on book, page 58. 7, grammar. Adjectives, bracket oral and book task. Activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, page 59 to 64, bracket book. Now give heading of words meanings. Number 1, distinguish. Distinguish means mumtaz यानी अलग या बरतर. Respected / to tell difference. Respected means काबिल एहतराम. To tell difference फ़र्क बताना. Income आमदनी. Earning means आमदनी gain हासिल करना. Gratitude शुक्रगुजारी. Thankfulness same meaning. Inquire पूछना या जानने की कोशिश करना. Ask. Excessively ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा. In a way that is too much. Give heading of word sentences. Number 1, distinguished. She can't distinguish truth from lies. वो सच को झूठ से अलग नहीं कर सकती. और अल्लामा इकबाल इज़ distinguished poet. अल्लामा इकबाल मुमताज़ शायर है. Income. Farming is his main source of income. काश्तकारी इसकी आमदनी का सबसे बड़ा जरिया है. Gratitude, we should show our gratitude to our parents for their love and support. हमें वालिदैन की मोहब्बत और हिमायत पर इनका शुक्रगुजार होना चाहिए. Inquired, he inquired her about her health. इसने इससे इसकी सेहत के बारे में दरियाफ्त किया. Excessively, it is excessively hot in summer. गर्मियों में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. Give heading of question answer. Question 1, why did the whole village respect the family? क्यों सारा गांव इस ख़ानदान का एहतराम करता था? Answer is the whole village respected the family due to their distinguished trait of honesty. पूरा गांव दयानतदारी की मुमताज़ खसूसियत की वजह से इस ख़ानदान का एहतराम करता था. Question 2, how did Hamid fall ill? हमीद बीमार कैसे हुआ? Answer is हमीद fell ill due to extreme tiredness. हमीद शदीद थकावट की वजह से बीमार हो गया. Question 3, why were the parents of Hamid worried? हमीद के वालिदैन क्यों परेशान थे? Answer is the parents of Hamid worried about the health of their son and their crop. Their son was the only person who used to grow crop and bring income. हमीद के वालिदैन अपने बेटे की सेहत और इनकी फसल की वजह से परेशान थे. इनका बेटा वाहिद शख्स था जो फसल उगाता था और आमदनी लाता था. Question 4, what did the other farmers say to Hamid? दूसरे किसान ने हमीद को क्या कहा? Answer is the other farmer asked about the health of Hamid and encouraged him to be brave enough to deal with illness. दूसरे किसान ने हमीद की सेहत के बारे में पूछा और बीमारी से निपटने और इसे बहादुर होने की तरगीब दी. Question 5. How did the whole family become happy and joyful? कैसे पूरा ख़ानदान खुश और मसरूर हो गया? Answer is, as soon as the other farmer took the responsibility of taking care of their fields of rice crop, the whole family became happy and joyful. जैसे ही दूसरे किसान ने चावल की फसल के खेतों की देखभाल की जिम्मेदारी कबूल की तो सारा ख़ानदान खुश और मसरूर हो गया. Question 6. Who irrigated the fields of rice crop after Hamid fell ill? हमीद के बीमार पड़ने के बाद चावल की फसल के खेतों को किसने सैराब किया? आंसर इज द अदर फार्मर हु वॉज हमीद्स फ्रेंड. दूसरा फार्मर जो कि हमीद का दोस्त था. टुक अ ग्रेट केयर ऑफ द ग्रोथ ऑफ द राइस क्रॉप. उसने बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखा राइस क्रॉप का, मतलब जो राइस की फसल थी उसके उगाने या उसके बढ़ाने में उसने बहुत ज़्यादा उसका ख्याल रखा. एंड विद इन अ फ्यू मंथ्स, और कुछ ही महीनों में, द क्रॉप वॉज रेडी टू बी हार्वेस्टेड. जो क्रॉप थे, जो फसल थे, वो तैयार थे कटाई के लिए. कुछ ही महीनों में जो फसल थी वो कटाई के लिए तैयार हो गए थे. इज दिस क्लियर? नाउ गिव हेडिंग ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन. नंबर 1. It was their honesty which was their distinguished character trait. ये इनकी ईमानदारी थी जो इनकी ख़ास खसूसियत थी. नंबर 2. The crop needed to be irrigated excessively. फसल को बेतहाशा सैराब करने की ज़रूरत थी. नंबर 3. After a few days, हमीद fell severely ill with fatigue. कुछ दिन बाद हमीद थकावट की वजह से शदीद बीमार हो गया. नंबर 4. There was a sense of gratitude from the family developed for the other farmer. दूसरे किसान के लिए ख़ानदान की तरफ से इजहार तशक्कुर पैदा हो गया था. नंबर 5. The other farmer from the day onwards irrigated the fields and took a great care of the growth of the rice crop, and within a few months the crop was ready to be harvested. दूसरे किसान ने अगले दिन से खेतों को सैराब करके चावल की काश्त का बहुत ख्याल रखना शुरू किया और चंद महीनों के अंदर फसल कटाई के लिए तैयार थी. गिव हेडिंग ऑफ समरी. दिस चैप्टर टेल्स अबाउट द स्टोरी ऑफ अ फार्मर, हमीद, who was an obedient son and really worked hard to grow rice crop in the beginning of a season, as it was the only income of the family. He developed friendship with the farmer working on the other field, full stop. Soon afterwards he fell ill, the crops were getting damaged, full stop. The other farmer came to visit Hamid, and after knowing his worry, he took duty of taking care of crops, full stop. Soon afterwards, crops brought income. Hamid got well and they both became sincere friends. Activity B, page 58. Dear student, this is from your book, page number 58. Make 3 columns in your notebooks. You have to make 3 columns and write these words according to the number of syllable in the relevant columns. Dear students, in your book, page number 58, they have given different words and you have to write these words according to their syllable in the relevant columns. First, let me tell you what is syllable. Well, syllable is a part of word that contains sound of a word. It usually has a vowel in it. Is this clear? आपने क्या करना है, आपने कॉलम्स बनाने हैं और आपको डिफरेंट वर्ड्स बुक में दिए गए होंगे. आपने वर्ड को देखना है कि वो फर्स्ट सिलेबल में फिट होता है, तो आपने फर्स्ट सिलेबल में उस फर्स्ट सिलेबल के कॉलम में लिखना है. सेकंड सिलेबल वाले सेकंड सिलेबल के कॉलम में लिखने हैं. थर्ड सिलेबल वाले थर्ड सिलेबल के कॉलम में लिखने हैं. एंड फोर्थ सिलेबल वाले फोर्थ सिलेबल के कॉलम में लिखने हैं. लेट्स हैव टू डू इट. स्मॉल 1 syllable, nurse 1 syllable, chief 1 syllable, park 1 syllable. Look at to the word brother, brother 2 syllable. Look at here, brother. Chair full, sibling, coffee. Look at to the 3 syllable words, butterfly, grandmother, traveler, carpenter. 4 syllable words, universal. Is this clear? Write down the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjective. Classify rather the adjective is regular or irregular. Dear student, this is also from your book, page number 63. We have already discussed comparative and superlative degrees of adjective in your book exercises. Well, here I will tell you about regular or irregular adjective. What is regular adjective? Well, regular adjective are those adjective which have simple pattern, and irregular adjective are those adjective which have no regular pattern. Now make different columns, make 4 columns for your work. Give heading of adjective, comparative, superlative and form. Number 1, far, farther, farthest, irregular. Bad, worse, worst, irregular. Ugly, uglier, ugliest, irregular. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive, regular. Good, better, best, irregular. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest, regular. Many, more, most, regular. Short, shorter, shortest, regular. Large, larger, largest, regular. Wise, wiser, wisest, regular. Wide, wider, widest, regular. Thin, thinner, thinnest, regular. Sad, sadder, saddest, regular. Careless, more careless, most careless, regular. Famous, more famous, most famous, regular. Angry, angrier, angriest, regular. Clever, cleverer, cleverest, regular. Narrow, narrower, narrowest, regular. Gentle, gentler, gentlest, regular. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable, regular. Little, less, least, irregular. Dear student, this is the end of your unit 3. Now we will discuss our next unit in our next lecture. Till then, stay home, stay safe.